Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another watch band slash case for your Galaxy Watch Ultra. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another watch band slash case for your Galaxy Watch Ultra. I know it's been a while and I finally got one sent out to me. I think we all been waiting for this from Supcase. So this is their Unicorn Beetle Pro, the heavy duty one that we all have been waiting for. They was nice enough to send it over to me for a review. So it's the watch case and band all built in one. It's heavy duty. I will have links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. But I know a few of y'all have been asking me to review it, and I've been waiting for them to release it, and they finally did. Now this watch band and case is heavy duty. This is something I would wear like if I'm going hiking, if I'm going on trails somewhere, if I knew I might fall or drop the watch some kind of way, bang it up. This is the watch band and case that I would wear because it is heavy duty by what it seems on like Amazon and everything else. I don't know if I could use this every single day because it is that bulky, but you know, if I'm going hiking, riding a bike, doing anything, this is probably what I would wear just for the protection, because you want to protect your beautiful device there. So let's open it up, let's get this going. Nice presentation from them. So, and it comes with screen protectors too. So you get two screen protectors in here. I'm not going to try the screen protectors on because I already have some screen protectors on there already, but you get these screen protectors and then also the wipes and stuff to install the screen protector. So you get all of it for that protection. But look at this watch case and band. So the band is like a rubber material, heavy duty too. I mean, simply just humongous. So here it is. I mean, look how the size. I do like to have the orange button. It's not even a cutout, it's just an orange button that you can press. You have the heavy duty case there. And like I said, the band is like a rubber material. It's very adjustable, easy to, you know, get the right size for your wrist, but look how big that is too. So let's install it. I'm gonna leave that there. So the things with these cases is that you basically have to take your other thing off. So what I did was turn the watch face off, and then you kind of just want to stick this side in there first, and then kind of just push it around. And then there you go. Let's turn the bad boy back on. Now you can see how heavy duty that is. I mean, look at it. It is protected from drop. So if you drop it or even bang it up, it will protect your watch totally. I mean, now let's see how it looks on my wrist. All right, so it was easy to lapse on there. No problems there. And then just look at it on my wrist. Bam. I mean, it looks big. Not gonna lie. It has a lot of protection though. The rubber feels nice on the wrist. And it's easy to just get off too. But let's go review it. So the button, there you go. You can easily press it. Not a big deal. You have your back button or your home button. And they're all easy to get to. Then you have your speaker cutouts there. Easy to get out to. And then you can see how it protects it from the back side. You have these heavy duty little claps there. But, I mean, I like what y'all think about that power, the little button there? I kind of like how it's orange. But you have a lot of room for protection too there. So I'm definitely going to rock out with this for a while now and just go use it. But definitely, if you are looking for the heavy duty watch band slash case combo, then this is one that you might want to pick up. Their sister company iBlazing does have one similar to this, which I will be reviewing probably tomorrow or the next day very soon. So if you want to pick up this Unicorn Beetle Pro, look in the description. I will have the links there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.